Drishti IAS is pleased to resume its special series of Places in News, targeting Prelims 2020. In this series, we will be covering all the important places that have been in the news in the past 1.5 years. In this episode of the series, we will be covering the places belonging to the continents of South America and Oceania together. Looking at South America first. Let's begin with Venezuela. Venezuela was in news recently as the United Nations accused the Maduro government of crimes against humanity. Caracas is the capital of Venezuela. Venezuela is located at the northern end of South America. Venezuela is bounded by the Caribbean Sea and the Atlantic Ocean to the north, Guyana to the east, Brazil to the south, and Colombia to the southwest and west. Venezuela was one of the 4 countries that emerged from the collapse of the Gran Colombia in 1830. Gran Colombia includes roughly the modern nations of Colombia, Panama, Venezuela, and Ecuador. Venezuela declared its independence from Spain in 1811. Lake Maracaibo is a petroleum-rich region in Venezuela and forms an inlet of the Caribbean Sea. Angel Falls, the world's highest waterfall, is located in Venezuela. Los Llanos is a vast tropical grassland plain situated to the east of the Andes in Colombia and Venezuela. Pico Bolivar is the highest mountain in Venezuela. Mount Roraima is situated on the border of Venezuela, Guyana, and Brazil, with almost 75% of the mountain falling into Venezuelan territory. Lake Valencia is an example of interior drainage in Venezuela. Ranchos are the form of informal poor housing colonies found in urban areas. About 2/3 of the population is mestizo, of mixed European and Indian ancestry. Agricultural land holdings in Venezuela include expansive latifundios and small subsistence-based minifundios. Venezuela is the founding member of the Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries, or OPEC. Petromoneda is the cryptocurrency issued by the government of Venezuela. Venezuela is considered to be among the 17 most mega-diverse countries in the world. Now shifting towards Brazil. The President of Brazil was the chief guest at India's 71st Republic Day parade on 26 January 2020. Following more than 3 centuries of Portuguese rule, Brazil gained its independence in 1822, maintaining a monarchical system of government until the abolition of slavery in 1888, and the subsequent proclamation of a republic by the military in 1889. Brazil is the largest country in South America and in the Southern Hemisphere. Also, it is the 5th largest in the world. Brasilia is the capital of Brazil. Brazil borders the Atlantic Ocean and is bounded by Uruguay to the south, Argentina, Paraguay, and Bolivia to the southwest, Peru to the west, Colombia to the northwest, and Venezuela, Guyana, Suriname, and French Guiana to the north. The highest point in Brazil is the Neblina Peak. Iguazu Falls marks Brazil's border with Argentina. The Pantanal, the world's largest tropical wetland, extends through the west-central part of Brazil. The northern and western parts of Brazil are largely dominated by the Amazon basin. Brazil is home to the major part of the Amazon tropical rainforest, also known as lungs of the earth, and the selvas. The Amazon, the Parana, the Madeira River, the Rio de la Plata, and Rio Negro are major rivers in Brazil. Campos are the tropical grasslands found predominantly in Brazil. Brazil is the only country on the planet where equator and Tropic of Capricorn run through the country. Brazil has 4 time zones. Brazil is the world's largest exporter of sugar and soya bean. Also, Brazil is the world's largest producer of coffee. The coffee estates in Brazil are known as fazenda. Santos Port is the chief port for export of coffee from Brazil. Brazil is a member of the Common Market of the South, a trade bloc that includes Argentina, Paraguay, and Uruguay. Rio de Janeiro is a coastal city of Brazil where the Earth Summits were held in 1992 and 2012. The Earth Summit led the formation of Agenda 21. Now looking at Peru. Recently, India and Peru met for another round of negotiations for the proposed FTA or Free Trade Agreement. Peru's rich and varied heritage includes the ancient Incan capital of Cusco and the lost city of Machu Picchu. Machu Picchu is acknowledged as the Incan civilization citadel located somewhere in the Andes Mountains in Peru. Ancient Peru was captured by Spanish conquerors in 1533. Peru got its independence from Spain in 1821, but consolidated only after 3 years. Peru's capital is Lima. Peru is bounded by Colombia to the northeast and Brazil to the east, whereas it borders with Bolivia to the southeast, Chile to the south, and Ecuador to the northwest, run across the high Andes. The highest peak of Peru is Mount Huascarán. In Peru, there is a provision of mandatory voting for every citizen by law. Peru was the second largest copper producing country in 2019, ranking behind neighboring Chile. Peru is one of the countries along the Ring of Fire, a belt of active volcanoes and earthquake epicenters bordering the Pacific Ocean. The Peruvian volcano Ubinas is the most active volcano, which last erupted in 2009. The origin of the Amazon River is believed to be the headwaters of 3 different Peruvian rivers in the high Andes: the Marañón, the Apurimac, and the Montaro. The Humboldt Current, also known as the Peru Current, is a cold, low salinity ocean current that flows northward along the western coast of South America. The periodic replacement of cold Peruvian current by a warm current creates favorable conditions for El Nino. Moving to the next country, Chile. Chile and India celebrate 70 years of establishment of diplomatic relations. Chile was a Spanish colony and gained independence in 1810. Santiago is the capital of Chile. Chile borders Peru to the north, Bolivia to the northeast, Argentina to the east, and the Drake Passage in the far south. The Drake Passage is a body of water which connects the southwestern part of Atlantic Ocean with the southeastern part of the Pacific Ocean. Chile has a diverse climate which ranges from the world's driest desert, the Atacama in the north, through a Mediterranean climate in the center to a snow-prone alpine climate in the south, with glaciers, fjords, and lakes. Chile's highest mountain is in fact the peak of a volcano, the Nevado Ojos de Salado. Chile's longest river is the Lua River originating in the Andes mountain. The strongest earthquake ever measured happened in 1960 in central Chile. It had a magnitude of 9.4 on the Richter scale. The biggest indigenous group is called Mapuche. Chile has the world's largest copper reserve. Also, it is the largest producer of copper. Chile is located along a highly seismic and volcanic zone, also part of the Pacific Ring of Fire due to the subduction of the Nazca and Antarctic plates in the South American plate. Chile's most famous poet, Pablo Neruda, received the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1971. Due to the Humboldt Current along the coast of Chile and Peru, which causes upwelling of marine and plant life on which the fish feed, there is a huge fishing potential in Chile. Now shifting focus towards Bolivia. Bolivia was in news as the Indian president paid a visit to the state of Bolivia. In 1538, Spanish conquerors gained control of the territory. They stayed in power until 1825 when they were overthrown by the local people who rebelled against the Spanish rule. The new leaders formed an independent country, naming it Bolivia after Simon Bolivar, the leader of the rebellion. Bolivia has two capitals. Its constitutionally recognized capital is Sucre, while La Paz is the seat of government. Bolivia is bordered to the north and east by Brazil, to the southeast by Paraguay, to the south by Argentina, to the southwest and west by Chile, and to the northwest by Peru. Bolivia shares Lake Titicaca with Peru. It is the largest lake in South America. The highest point in Bolivia is the Nevado Sajama. Salar de Uyuni is the world's highest flat salt pan located in Bolivia. Most of the Bolivians are mestizo, which means they are of mixed race with indigenous white ancestors. Bolivia has gained global attention for its Law of the Rights of Mother Earth in 2010, which accords nature the same rights as humans. Now focusing on the last country of South America, that is Argentina. Argentina was in news for recently electing its president in December 2019. Buenos Aires, the capital of Argentina, is known as the Paris of South America because of its European influences. Argentina was colonized by Spain in the 16th century. It declared its independence in 1816 and emerged as a democratic republic in the mid-19th century. Argentina is located mainly in the southern half of South America. It is bounded by Chile to the south and west, Bolivia and Paraguay to the north, and Brazil, Uruguay, and the Atlantic Ocean to the east. Argentina is located at a strategic location relative to sea lanes between South Atlantic and the South Pacific Oceans through the Beagle Channel. Beagle Channel is a strait in the Tierra del Fuego archipelago on the extreme southern tip of South America between Chile and Argentina. Argentina is the second largest country in South America, after Brazil. The Andes mountain range marks the natural border between Chile and Argentina. Aconcagua is the highest point in Argentina. Pampas, a temperate grassland, is found primarily in Argentina. Gaucho, like American cowboys, have been a symbol of the open fertile plains of the Pampas region of Argentina. The Parana River is the longest river to pass through Argentina. It is the second longest behind Amazon River in South America. It forms a natural border between Paraguay and Argentina. Falkland Islands, a British overseas territory in the southwest Atlantic Ocean, remains a subject of sovereignty dispute between Britain and Argentina. Argentinian province of Mendoza is the center of the nation's vineyards. Patagonia, semi-arid scrub plateau, covers nearly all of the southern portion of mainland Argentina. That is all for South America. Now looking at Oceania. Focusing on Australia first. Recently, Prime Ministers of India and Australia held their first virtual bilateral summit, and both concluded 9 agreements including the Comprehensive Strategic Partnership and the Mutual Logistics Support Agreement. The capital of Australia is Canberra. Australia is separated from Indonesia by the Timor and Arafura Seas, from Papua New Guinea by the Coral Sea and the Torres Strait, from the Coral Sea Islands territory by the Great Barrier Reef, from New Zealand to the southeast by the Tasman Sea, and from Antarctica in the far south by the Indian Ocean. Tasmania, an isolated island state of Australia, is separated from it by the Bass Strait. More than 1/3 of Australia is desert. Some of the important deserts are the Great Victoria, Great Sandy, Simpson, and Gibson deserts. Some of the major landforms in Australia include Kimberley Plateau, a region of northwestern Australia, Australian Alps, the highest mountain range in Australia, and the Great Dividing Range, also called the Great Divide or Eastern Highlands. The Great Dividing Range comprises a series of plateaus and low mountain ranges roughly paralleling the coasts of eastern Australia. Murray River, mainstream of Murray-Darling Basin, is the longest river of Australia. Downs, the temperate grassland of the Murray-Darling Basin, is the major wheat-producing region of Australia. Australia is the third largest producer and has the largest resource base of uranium in the world. Also, Australia is the highest wool-producing country in the world. The Great Barrier Reef is the world's largest coral reef system. It is located in the Coral Sea off the Queensland coast, Australia. Australia is known for its uniquely occurring animal species such as the platypus, kangaroo, emu, and koala. The next country we will be discussing is New Zealand. Recently, the scientists from New Zealand have announced completion of mapping of the 8th continent, Zealandia. Scientists confirmed the existence of Zealandia under New Zealand and the surrounding ocean in 2017. More than 90% of Zealandia is submerged in water. The Whanui River in New Zealand was given legal status as a living entity in 2017. It is a major river of North Island in New Zealand. The Maori tribe won this recognition for the Whanui River after 140 years of negotiations. Wellington is the capital of New Zealand. New Zealand is a mountainous region group of islands in the southeastern Pacific Ocean. The two main islands, North and South Islands, are separated by the Cook Strait. Australia is its nearest neighbour, separated by the Tasman Sea. The major mountain range of New Zealand is the Southern Alps, extending along much of the South Island. Kiwi, the nickname used for the people from New Zealand, is a native flightless bird. That is all for this episode of the Places in News. We hope you find this video helpful in your preparation for the upcoming prelims.
To watch our videos in Hindi, subscribe to our Hindi YouTube channel Drishti IAS.